Parent, have you ever had the unjustified feeling that your kids are better than other kids? If you answered yes, you are specifically biased in favor of your children because you have worked very hard to raise a child. This unreasonable bias is what is called the IKEA effect. The IKEA effect, named after everyone's favorite Swedish furniture giant, describes how people tend to value an object more if they make or assemble it themselves. More broadly, the IKEA effect speaks to how we tend to like things more if we've expended effort to create them. Many companies exploit the IKEA effect by charging unnecessarily high prices for their products, even though customers take up the cost of putting them together. Certain businesses, like IKEA and Build-A-Bear, have business models that are centered on having us pay for our own labor. The IKEA effect might lead us to overlook the fact that we're getting a bad deal. You may have noticed that do-it-yourself products seem to have been on the rise recently. Meal kit delivery services, where subscribers receive a weekly box of pre-portioned ingredients so they can whip up home-cooked meals, are just one example. But how do we avoid it? To avoid getting a bad price because of the IKEA effect, research other options and consider whether a small difference in price is worth putting in your free time to build something. Also, in cases where the IKEA effect makes it hard to evaluate your own work, get a second opinion from someone else. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and share.